Paparazzi, there. It's a video of you laughing. Yes.
You're a video cameraist, aren't you?
This will be on YouTube.
She's video cameraist. Don't put it on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
What you talking about?
Yes.
She putting that on YouTube.
Oh, wow.
Okay, just YouTube is wonderful.
If you are, actually gonna.
She is gonna put it on.
I am actually gonna. What?
Okay.
My name.
Send me a link. You gotta use the square, right?
Send you a link.
Or like, try to like. What's your username?
Phosphorine.
Okay, never mind.
Exactly. You're not gonna be able to spell it.
No, cause I'll just go on there and like, kind of like.
I had a link
I want
in
you.
the journal.
I know. I can just type in her like name from DeviantArt, plus it on YouTube.
It's the same username.
Anyways,
Yeah.
Anyways, Anyways, I want you to you just got a picture right here, so I'm calling DeviantArt to show people what I'm doing.
Sure. Because you are an awesome artist.
Yes, and I have posted a journal about like what I'm doing, my ultimate series.
Awesome, awesome. You're awesome. Mom's awesome.
Mom is not awesome.
Everybody says that your mom jokes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, that is indeed quite impressive, sir.
It's the last one. Okay, go away now.
Okay, no. I'll look at Tara instead. Hello, Tara.
Watch me be Ninja Swiftness.
Just because Tara's an awesome artist too.
Wait, touch.
Fan, don't look at my pretty pictures. My pretty pictures.
Look, you like
Oh, your pretty pictures? Let's look at your pretty pictures, sir. Oh, look at my pretty pictures. Let me see.
Brittany,
Yeah.
when are you posting it up?
Whenever I get a chance, probably today anyway. I might go home and do it today. Let me see your pretty pictures. Quickly, sir.
Kai, this is one of my pretty pictures.
Why? Is there like a limited time on
You
the
people know,
camera?
No,
people
it's
know
just- it takes a long time to
Ragnarok
post.
is awesome. I play that
It's like around the
shit.
whole
I kick
movies.
ass.
I'm a pretty lady.
You're what? Did you say that again, sir? Did you say you're a pretty lady?
No, it was on whole movie. Shut up. It was on whole. It was on
You
show
called
whole
yourself
movies.
a pretty lady.
The main character of the whole movie, he said I'm a pretty lady.
Oh, you mean that one orange haired boy?
Yeah. He said I'm a pretty lady.
Yeah, we're done here. We'll just turn this off now. Say goodbye, everyone.
He's nuts.
Look at my pretty picture.
Let's see the pretty